Hello, welcome to Ultimate Eating, Derek's Extreme Jollywall. Now this takes Derek's integrity to the max. He will be eating, as you can see right now, he will be eating 30 Jolly Ranchers. Yes, that's right, 30 Jolly Ranchers.
All at the same time.
Yes, all at the same time. Okay, now as we will begin.
Tell me when to go.
As we will begin right now, and trust us folks, that is, in fact, 30 Jolly Ranchers. Okay. He is now farther than I thought he was going to go. He is not going to do this, dude. There's no fucking way he's going to do this. Oh, oh. Get over the plate there. Here, I'm gonna get this Jolly Rancher for you here, man. Okay, this is Derek. He now has 30, 28, 29, 30. He now has 28 Jolly Ranchers in his mouth. He has 28 Jolly Ranchers in his mouth. Can he possibly do? Can he possibly do it? He has one more to go. He has one fucking more to go. Holy shit! Wow! Wow! He fucking did it, folks. Derek, look at us, man. Show off your madness. Holy fuck! Wow! That is 30 Jolly Ranchers in his mouth. Wow. He actually did it. He actually fucking did it.
I'll count them. They're all there.
Okay, yeah, I count them for us. I don't want to touch your slimy Jolly Ranchers. There's some more. There's water there for you.
There, count them. Jay, don't throw them away.
No, I'm not. I'm putting them up in the light for people to see. Okay, people, now if you can count those, I'll leave the camera on there for at least a good portion of the video.
Oh man, I can't believe I just did that.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna eat them.
Yes, and now he is gonna eat them. So, if you want to congratulate Derek, I know you can't because they're not here right now, but just there he is. And the director of this video was Jason, myself,
And it was dedicated to all the homies.
all the homies.
And if you're
You
a
heard it.
homie, you know who you are.
You heard it straight from the man himself. Okay? That was our video, Ultimate Eating 2, Extreme Jollywall. Okay, we'll see you next time. Thank you.